Now let us study about the different types of quantities there. Okay, so quantities can be defined in the terms of dimensions there. So we have dimensional variables and dimensionless variables. Okay, so variables means what? Some things which can change, numbers which will change, constants which will change, okay, things which will change there. So let's see dimensional variables. Physical quantities which possess dimensions and have variable values are called dimensional variables. Okay, so these quantities, what happens is they possess dimensions here. Okay, and they will vary also. For example, dimension of length. Okay, dimension of length is what it is? L. Let's just give one example. Length, we can say length can be 1 meter, it can be 5 meters, 10 meters, it can change. Okay, so it has dimensions, it can vary also. So this we say it as dimensional variables. Okay, next one we say dimensionless variables. That means they don't have dimensions but they will change. So physical quantities which have no dimensions but have variable values are called dimensionless variables. Okay, so example, you see specific gravity, strain, refractive index. Okay, specific gravity means what? Okay, I'll just write specific gravity means it's the density of substance by density of water. Okay, so we compare two densities only. Okay, so what happens is it has no dimensions there. Okay, so but it will change. Okay, specific gravity changes. So we say they are dimensionless variables. They don't have dimensions but they have numbers there. They will change. Okay, so next we'll see some more concepts there. So let us see what's meant by dimensional constant and dimensionless constant. Okay, constant means what? Something which will not change. Okay, so first we'll see dimensional constant. They have dimensions. So physical quantities which possess dimensions and have constant values are called dimensional constant. Okay, so they have dimensions and they have values also. Okay, let's see examples. Say gravitation constant. Okay, gravitational constant you learn 10th also. Okay, so dimension of gravitational constant will be m power minus 1 L cube t power minus 2. Okay, its value will be 6.67 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square kilogram power minus 2. Okay, it has a number, it has dimension and it also has a value. Okay, it's a constant. Next, see Planck's constant. Okay, so dimension of that will be m L square t power minus 1. Okay, and its value is 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joule second. Okay, next we see dimensionless constant. They don't have any dimensions. So quantities which have constant values and also have no dimensions are called dimensionless constants. Okay, so that means they have constant values and they have no dimensions. Example, pi, that's 3.14. It doesn't have any dimensions. E, it's called Euler's number. Okay, its value is 2.718. Okay, it has no dimensions. Then numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and etc. They are numbers. They have constant values, but they don't have any dimensions. Okay, so these are the types of different physical quantities based on the dimensions. Thank you for watching.